This is a 77 R100 slash 7T. We upgraded with some snowflake wheels, so maybe that's and upgraded with a pair of horns. Otherwise, I think it's completely stock. You'll have to look at the listing, but we restored this from the ground up. It was a long restoration. It's got new paint and all kinds of new stuff. It's got a new top end. It's got a new bore. We got done at LA Sleeve. New rings. It's got new exhaust guides and valves and intake valves and a professional top end valve job. So it runs like a clock. It's a real sweet bike. It's got conies on it. It's got custom horns, dual custom horns on it that are really nice, chromed. So anyway, if you look at our list, you'll see everything's new on it. And it has like 24,000 miles on it to start. So it's a real sweet machine, just totally fun to ride. So smooth and just clicks right through the transmission, and really nice smooth clutch and all that. New tires, all new brakes. It's got a new brake master cylinder. Matter of fact, we didn't fool around with an old master cylinder. We got a brand new one. Those are like $500 alone. So I'll go around. You'll have to look. I'll do a startup, and you'll have to look at the list of all the parts. But it's quite extensive. The restoration is very, very detailed. I'd say it's about a 9 out of 10 on the restore. So I'll go around. You can take a quick look. All new badges. The carbs are rebuilt. It's got Coney shocks on it. Brand new paint job. I think the pipes are new, but the exhaust pipes I think are original, or we had a pair in the shop. It's got brand new tires on it. They're all 400 and 350 in the front, all to the stock sizes. The seat is really nice. So it's a brand new seat and grab bar. It's got a brand new sealed battery in it. Get up to the tank here and look at the instruments. Brand new mirrors on it, grips. It's got the stock Beamer grips on it. I really like those. It's got a couple of new switches on it. Switches are hard to find. The one switch was the last one in Europe, and I got it, brand new. New headlight rim. The front end's all rebuilt. It's got. I'm pretty sure we did the steering stem. That'll be in the list. All new brake shoes. Calipers are all rebuilt. Brake calipers. It's got steel. It's got a steel line on it. Nice snowflake wheels. Of course, the carbs are all rebuilt and brand new. This, that, and the other. Everything works. I'll start it up for you. Stand by. Get going on the road, that light goes right off, the generation light. For some reason, you just got to start going down the road. I know it probably should click off, but I know it charges and it doesn't come back on. So, brand new switches, nice set of European horns on it. Runs like a top. Brand new pepcocks. Everything's new. All right, well, I hope you guys like it.